Alrighty, let's see if this works. Huh? Still low. There's in the back of my head. Going after that bun. She really thinks she's gonna find a nipple there. What you doing? Over this way? Over this way? This way? Yeah. There's no nipples there. I don't got any nipples. Oh, where are you going? Here. Come here. No nipples, just stubbies. Just stubbies. Come down here. Come on. Come on. Think about it. You gonna come and get me? Yeah. I don't know if that word is going to be audible or not. Go make some biscuits. Yeah, go make some biscuits. Yeah. Where are you going? Where are you going? Well, back to my head. And the bun again. Here we go to town on this bun. I promise you, I don't have any nipples there. What are you doing? Come here. No, like, come on. Oh, honey. Come on. Come on off of my head. You're making my neck hurt. I know. I know. Come here. Come here. I know. Where are you? Come here. Oh, there we go. Oh, don't spaz out. There we go. See? Oh, sweetheart. That's what you are. Let's see. Look at the camera. No, you want to get bitten? See what you want? Let's look at the camera. Look other way. Other way. Hello. Hello. Get some toe beans. Toe beans. That belly. Yeah. Just think. 9 hours or so ago, you were completely a little wild, huh?